Welcome to Dantech. We are full-service concierge DevOps for health and life sciences. What does Dantech do? We take care of IT so that you can focus on research and innovation. Every day, we focus on empowering science and discovery through innovative, cost-effective IT for the betterment of all. We specialize in bespoke integration and development, automation and innovation, cloud engineering and operations, cloud architecture and cloud center of excellence, data science, big data, and analytics. Here's why Dantech is the best technology partner for you. We have over 20 years of IT experience. We have delivered proven biopharma solutions into production. We consistently generate high-quality outcomes. We are focused on customer service. We offer cost-effective services and solutions for your budget. Dantech is also a recognized AWS consulting partner. Here are just a few of the health and life sciences solutions and tools that we support. Pipelines for metabolomics, proteomics, and genomics. RStudio. Posit. Shiny. Slurm Workload Manager. Apache Airflow. Data IQ. Plotly. High Performance Computing. Jupyter Hub. Amazon EMR. Amazon Redshift. PyTorch. Apache Spark. Multi-terabyte data transfers. Amazon Bedrock. Amazon SageMaker. Amazon RDS. Amazon Glue. Amazon Athena. Tableau. Turbot. Deep Learning Kits. Dantech can also help you deliver solutions that are compliant with regulatory standards. GXP. HIPAA. FDA. PCI DSS. FedRAMP. We welcome the opportunity to learn more about how we can help.